Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to post a bounty in Where Winds Meet. Now, whether you need help when it comes to healing yourself or you're aiming to post a bounty for Vendetta, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to open up the menu and then select Wandering Paths. From here, choose the option labeled Bounty and then simply select Post a Bounty. From here, you should then be able to see this option for Post Bounty. And then you can now choose what type of bounty you want to post. So you have trial, you have profession, vendetta, or wandering paths. When you select your bounty, you'll also be given a bounty cost. So this is how many tokens you're going to use to post this specific bounty. You can also customize the bounty depending on which one you've chosen. You can choose, say for example, a vendetta target, as well as the completion deadline, and how much or what you're going to pay that specific person. When you're ready, simply select Post Bounty, and that bounty will be posted to the world so that someone can go ahead and complete it for you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.